Barely another week goes by in the world, and we are on the cusp of another wave of revolutionary new updates in the world of AI. This time, we are talking about updates that may change the way those in the workforce operate. From those who need to work with Excel sheets or PowerPoint to the creatives who will be thrilled to see what Nano Banana has come up with. There is much to explore in the world of AI. Claude Files upgrade. The first thing that we must explore is the updates that have been released by Claude. Right now, we know that large language models are great at converting things from files that are now essential in the workplace. We are talking about Excel sheets, PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, and the likes. Well, looks like that is a thing of the past because Claude's new update seems to target this problem specifically. Right now, if you hop onto Claude, you will notice the new file types that are present and ready for your use today. The first thing you have to do before you make use of these features is to head to go into your settings. Once there, you will find that under Features, you can make sure that you have upgraded the file creation and analysis enabled so that this can work. Once these features are up and ready, you'll find that you can now create Excel sheets or PowerPoint presentations. In fact, you may find that your output exceeds anything that you may have come across when it comes to these tools. The reviews have actually come in, and they are fantastic. Many are visibly impressed with the execution of the AI tool, and it is clear that this is here to stay for a long time. Don't take our word for it. Give it a whirl. What you can do to test what we are talking about is compare ChatGPT and Claude. You can do so by testing the same data on both LLMs. As for its analysis, which will be presented in an Excel file, what you will find is amazing in the sense that the formatting present in the output given by Claude is amazing. Not only does it help you with the analysis of the data, it actually helps you put the analysis in an Excel sheet format that is clear, neat, and perhaps most importantly, easy to digest. On the other hand, you could say that ChatGPT is still in the past, as all it does is list out its analysis in a format that is somewhat drab and far from the level that is given out by Claude. Claude is so good that it is even able to give us charts. With that in mind, let's see what happens if we take it up a notch a bit. Why don't we ask both AI tools to convert their files to PowerPoint presentations? It took about 5 minutes, but the results were just as fantastic as those which we saw when we prompted the LLMs for the Excel sheets. Clean, clear, and fluid. The output given by Claude is truly stellar. You can even add emojis to the presentation. Looking at this, we can see that now, the days of LLMs being unable to do this is now over. Do not waste any time in using this feature to take your work to the next level. Gemini Canvas Select and Ask. As great as the new and improved Claude is, you actually haven't seen anything yet. Did you guys hear about the upgrade implemented onto Gemini Canvas? When you hop on the interactive workspace within Google's Gemini AI that allows users to create and refine documents or code directly with AI assistants, you will find that you can now create an application which is editable. The interesting thing about this is that you can edit these files by visually clicking into it. This may seem like nothing, but those who have used Gemini Canvas in the past will tell you that this is a much-needed upgrade, because back in the day, you couldn't do this. All you could do when you wanted to edit one of these files is take a screenshot of the initial output so that you can describe the corrections you want the AI tool to make. You can test this feature out after creating an app of your own on Gemini Canvas. To make any changes, all you would have to do is click on the Select and Ask feature button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click it, select whatever part of the app you want to change and then ask for the changes that come to mind. And voila, you have your changes. Pretty neat, especially as it saves the user a ton of time. In the very least, it makes vibe coding a lot easier to get through. One thing is for sure, and it is that this is probably how these things will go in the future. Well, we can't wait, because this makes the work process a lot easier for all of us doing all we can to earn a living today. Notebook LM updates. Next up, let's take a look at the updates that can be seen on Notebook LLM. In the past few weeks, they have been doing a lot of work on this AI tool, but it's the most recent ones that really stand out to us. We're talking about the updates that include a brand new reports feature. This is great, especially when we can enjoy the outs it is able to produce. We're talking about outputs such as flashcards and quizzes that are rolled out slowly for the user's consumption. All you have to do to check this out is to open up a Claude Code workbook that is filled with a bunch of data. When you head over to Reports, you'll find that you have a bunch of options to work with. As we can see, we can create custom reports or make use of one of the presets there. You can even make your work better by making use of the AI suggestions feature that is found there as well. This tells you the best type of report for your work, and at the end of the day, it could be the thing that could take your work to the next level. Quick and easy to use, this is a fantastic feature that can guide the user while helping them create the documents that could bring their work to life. Do not hesitate to make use of this fantastic tool today. Nano Banana use cases. Finally, let's also make sure that we take a look at some of the use cases that have been recommended for those who make use of Nano Banana, the AI image generator designed by Google. Editing images has never really been an easy task. Just ask those who have to use apps such as Photoshop to get their work done. Well, with Nano Banana, it looks as if those days of problematic edits might be over. Considered to be one of the most popular apps out there today, there are a lot of fun uses for this tool. Right now, for example, you may find that they are enjoying themselves as they use this tool to make cat-in-a-hat images. Maybe this is because this is one of the best ways to show off the tool's image editing capabilities. At least with this, they can show off one of the few use cases that could prove to change the AI image editing game as we know it today. The addition and removal of elements. Just take a look at that. Simply amazing, right? You can use this prompt to carry out such a function using the provided image of subject. Please add, remove, modify element to from the scene. Ensure the change is description of how the changes should integrate. Another use case that could help a lot of creatives out there today is the in-painting use case. You can also describe this as making selective edits to only a specific part of the image. With the right prompt, you can pretty much do anything with this use case. Here's a good one, for example. Using the provided image, change only the selected element to have element description. Keep everything else in the image exactly the same, preserving the original style, lighting, and composition. You could change people's clothes. Add logos onto the same clothes or the background, you name it. Perhaps the best thing that you need to have when it comes to making use of these use cases is a healthy imagination. But if you know what you want to do, you can make your changes easily with this feature. Feel free to make sure that you make the most of what Nano Banana has to offer to the creatives as soon as you can.